Hello everyone, welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry.
The CCD camera is very useful. It is cheap and convenient for net chatting or live streaming. This type is most popular since it is easy to clip to the display frame, but it is not suitable for fixing in a tripod. Sometimes you want to record a long time, such as record a plant growing.
I suppose you don't want to use the clip to fix the camera for stable recording.
So, you want to DIY a tripod transfer connector. Let's do it now. First, you measure the size of the CCD camera base. I'm not familiar with the Imperial unit system, so I used the metric system instead. I use Fusion 360 for designing. Change the unit in here. Draw in the sketch first and then change them to model. The mounting hole is usually using the Imperial unit system. The size is a 1/4 inch according to my internet searching. The 1/4 20 UNC thread software. Print. You got it. It works perfect for me. Hope this will give you some idea how to modify your stuff using a 3D printer. Hope you will have a nice day. Keep safe these days. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the updates. TubeU channel is waiting for you.